In this video, I will show you how to activate private server in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, open up Roblox and log into your account. Then what you want to do is come across to the game or experience that you want to activate a private server for. So in this case, I'm going to use Grow a Garden, and what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of the experience page, and towards the bottom you're going to see a option for servers. So what you want to do is give that a click, and what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. So you can see currently I've got a server on this experience, but it's currently inactive, as you can see down here. So at this point, what you want to do is actually come to the right hand side and click onto the three dots and then click onto configure. What you can then do is scroll down a bit, and the option that says allow in should be turned off. So to activate your server, just simply go ahead, turn this switch on, just like so. And you can configure the server further down here. But once that's done, if we come back to private servers, and I'm just going to go back down and click onto servers, and you'll now see when this page goes through that the server is now active. So that is how to activate private server in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.